Hi guys! Today is the day that we're going to Manila, and this is our first day. We just arrived in the middle of the day and we went straight to MOA, and the kids are enjoying the new Disney store, the Nasa MOA. It's just beside the entrance in one of the just beside in one of the entrance Samoa. And then since we don't have any activities, they just play around this very big um play pen or whatever you call it. Yeah. Wala kasi ganito dito sa Zamboanga. I mean, yeah. So, ayan, they really enjoyed kahit yung ate, malaki na siya, pero still, they're so happy, of course. And then we just had our lunch in one of the restaurants we were really looking for, a Muslim friendly restaurant which are really not serving pork, and this is a Mediterranean restaurant, so we really enjoyed the food, although I can say that it is a bit costly, medyo mahal siya, but it's okay, paminsan lang naman tayo kakain sa mga mamahaling restaurant, and I think that kind of restaurant are just, normal lang naman yun dito. And then we went to this parang roof deck or whatever. Parang nasa labas siya and ng MOA sa taas, and they made this parang malaking big, what do you call this, play area. Yes, but my kids are tired. So ayan, nagpahinga lang kami. And I remember SM sa Cebu, they have also this kind of concept. Parang bago lang naman to siguro sa MOA, nung dati wala namang ganito. But it's really nice that it's free and the family can really enjoy. Ayan. So, yan. Here is where we stayed. It's like a condo. We book it to Airbnb, and it's not that big, pero okay na po siya. May wifi pa. Ayan, may parang sofa din sa labas na bed, and yung sa loob din. So, ayan, may kwarto na may bed. So, anyone can also sleep outside. Tapos, ayan, may maliit na sofa and yung kanyang cabinet. Ito yung view sa labas. But anyway, very nice yung condo. Maliit lang pero it's okay. Ayan, malinis naman siya. And ayan, may ref, may kumpleto na siya. So we just bought some groceries and dito na rin kami breakfast. The next day, I met with my brother and we ate outside, bonchon, and then naglaro lang din ulit yung mga kids. So walang masyadong ganap. It's because actually this entire trip, I was really sick. And every 4 hours, every 6 hours, umiinom ako um, ng paracetamol. It's because grabe yung fever ko. And I don't want to cancel the trip. So talagang we just pursue. And ayun, medyo masamang pakiramdam ko, but I just want everybody to enjoy, of course. So ayun, nag-enjoy naman ng mga kids and they were just playing and, hanging around. Ayan. So, continuing playing the whole day. Almost ito lang yung aming agenda. Okay, that's my brother. Enjoying playing with my kids. So, because my brother is working kasi sa Manila. So, that's why we met with him. And, ayun. Tapos namin maglaro, eto na naman tayo sa isang pinakamalaking, um, what do you call this, play area ng mga kids, and sobrang nag-enjoy sila. Ang laki talaga nito, guys. Um, I just can't believe talagang sobrang laki niya. As usual, walang ganito sa Zamboanga or kaya talagang ang saya ng kids. Sobrang laki. I just can't video everything. Yun nga masama ang pakiramdam ko. Pero na-videohan ko naman yung mga kids. Ayan. So, they were very happy. Ayan, may trampoline. Ano matawag sa ganito? Ito, tapos eto, dito nag-enjoy sila. Ayan. Parang, parang, alam niyo yun, wrecking ball. Wrecking ball, lol. Kumanta pa. Ayan. Talagang nag-enjoy ang mga anak ko. Ayan. So, nag-rest ng sandali at pagkatapos ay umuwi na rin. Ayun. Nag-try kaming mag-swimming, pero the next day was actually a holiday pala. So, dapat nag-booking kami ahead of time. So, hindi kami nakapag-swimming. Hindi nakapag-swimming ang mga kids kasi nag-antay kami ng matagal kasi nga medyo hassle. Parang kailangan ng ticket and we really need to pay for it. So, ayan. The next day, dito na lang kami pumunta sa Venice. Yung, saan ba to? Sa may malapit na sa Tagig. Ayan, nag-picture-picture na lang. And actually, this is our second time or third time na rin. They were still kids nung pumunta kami last time dito. So, we really enjoyed it. Pero yung kasama ko dito is my brother again because may pinuntahan ng sandali yung aking hobby. And dumiretso na kami sa BGC. Ayan yung mga nakita namin sa BGC. Medyo dark, medyo late na kami nakapunta kaya hindi na masyadong nakapag-ikot. And as I said, medyo masama din talaga ang pakiramdam ko. Kaya hindi na rin masyadong nakapag-vlog or nakapag-ikot-ikot. Ayan, nag-picture-picture na lang talaga kami. Ayan, medyo madilim na. And ikot-ikot na lang sandali at tapos nag-dinner na lang kami sa bahay. Ayan, nag-take out na lang kami, nag-order. Tapos sa gabi naman, sinulit na namin yung time namin kasi kinabukasan aalis na kami. So talagang we made sure na makakapag-swimming yung dalawa or else talagang promise kasi namin na may swimming pool eh. Ang ganda-ganda ng swimming pool, guys. Tapos may curfew pala hanggang 10 PM lang ba 'to sila or 12 midnight, I don't know. So, we thought walang curfew. So, ayun hanggang 10 PM lang. So, sinulit na nila at least parang naka 1 or 2 hours lang din sila nakapag-swimming din kahit papaano. Ayan, they really enjoyed it. And actually, parang mas maganda mag-swimming sa gabi because of the lights and parang mas konti lang din ang mga nagsi-swim. So, sila lang dalawa, hindi na kami kasali ni hubby. Video-video na lang kami and picture-picture. And it was really fun. It was like a 4 day or 3 days trip, only very quick getaway. Pero it was relaxing somehow kahit na medyo maiksi lang trip namin. Pero somehow, kahit wala kami masyadong napuntahan, pero at least masaya naman, masaya naman. Ayan. It was a um very memorable trip, especially for the kids. If you have family, always treat your kids. Yung pera, nahahanap yan. But the memories, pag malaki na sila, they will always remember everything. Actually, hanggang ngayon, yung mga kids ko, memorize nila yung room number or yung condo number, eh ako hindi ko memorize yun. It's because they really treasured those memories. Thank you guys for watching.